Hi kids, today we are going to see the new lesson, Unit 3, The Right Place. Once upon a time, a baby camel and his mother were rested under a tree. The baby camel was a curious being, and there were certain parts of his body that the baby camel did not like. The baby camel asked his mother, "Why do they have long legs with 2 toes?" The mother camel replied that they lived in the desert. The desert has a lot of sand and rocks. The legs help them to walk in the loose desert sand, and toes protect them from the hot sand. Again, the baby camel asked, "Why do they have long lashes?" The mother camel explained that in the desert, winds carry sand with them. Their eyelashes keep their eyes safe from those winds. Again, the baby camel asked his mother about the humps on their back. The mother replied that desert life was hard to find food and water, so the hump store food and release to the body whenever required. Again, the baby camel asked about the hard skin. The mother replied that it saves from thorny cactus plants as well as from the sun and cold nights. At last, the baby camel asked his mother why they are in the zoo and not in the desert. Mother camel have no answer for that question. Moral: the skills and abilities that we possess are useful only when we put in the right place, otherwise they go to waste. Next we move to supplementary, the river and the hill. This is an interesting conversation between the river and the hill. The river felt sad to run all the time and want to be like the hill. Then one day, the river asked the hill, "Why do it run all the time?" The hill smiled and asked, "Why it stand all the time?" The river answered that the hill liked to stand all the time. The hill refused the river's opinion. It said that it wanted to see new hills and trees, so the river invited the hill to come with it. But the hill replied it helped many lives in the world, as the river helped many lives on its way. At last, both the river and the hill were happy. Thank you.